Good morning, GreenStalk gardeners. I'm Susie, lead gardener here at GreenStalk. Winter is on our doorsteps, but spring planting is still on our minds. So today we're going to talk about amending soil. So why do we amend soil? Simply put, the plants use up all the nutrients in the soil and it becomes very bland without anything to feed them. Another reason is organic matter, organic fertilizers degrade over a period of time much faster than synthetic. The synthetics will last longer, however, most of us do use the organic. So how do we amend soil? My personal preference is to add granular fertilizer and worm castings to the old soil and then mix it in and top it off with fresh soil. That way seeds and seedlings will not be in a strong mixture of fertilizer in that top layer. Remember to read the directions on your bag of fertilizer because they're not all the same. Another way of amending soil is to put a layer of compost, 1 to 2 inches of compost on the top. The nutrients, when it's watered, will leach down through there and feed the plants. I have done this. It does work. I know many gardeners that do this as well. So keep in mind, if you use this method, that your soil can become heavy over a period of time. You may need to use perlite to lighten it up. We hope this video will help you stay inspired throughout the winter in anticipation of amending your soil and planting your spring garden. Feel free to reach out to us at greenstalkgarden.com.